Welcome to English Conversation Hub. Here, learning English becomes super easy and natural. We post daily conversation videos that help you improve your speaking skills without stress, just like how you talk to your friends every day. In today's video, we're going to listen to a conversation between two colleagues using conditional sentences in their discussion. It's practical, simple, and something you can start using right away. So, let's dive in and learn English through real conversation. Hey, are you working on the client report? Yes, but I'm a bit stuck. If I had the latest data, I could finish it today. Why didn't you ask? If you had told me earlier, I would have shared it with you. Really, that would be great. If you send it now, I can start updating the numbers. Sure, I'll send it in a minute. But if the numbers don't match the old ones, we may need to explain it to the manager. That's true. If we don't explain, she might think there's a mistake. Exactly. And if she gets confused, it might delay the entire project. If only we had more time, we could double-check everything. Yes, but if we work together, we'll be able to finish it before the deadline. If we stay late today, we might even get ahead of schedule. I don't mind staying. If we leave it for tomorrow, we'll feel more pressure, right? And if someone else touches the file tomorrow, they might mess it up. That happened last time. If Raj hadn't edited the report without telling anyone, we wouldn't have had to fix it last minute. That was stressful. If we avoid that kind of mistake this time, the review will go smoothly. Totally. If we get good feedback, it might help with our performance review too. That's a good point. If my review goes well, I'm hoping for a small promotion. Fingers crossed. If you keep working like this, you definitely deserve it. Thanks. If I ever need help, I know I can count on you. Of course. And if you ever get too busy, just ask. I'm happy to help. By the way, if we finish this early, maybe we can grab coffee later. Yes! If there's time, that sounds perfect. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.